Manipulation power.
Yes. Okay, Madhusudan, can you explain in brief about this Tata Click? This
Yes,
topic is
sir.
chosen by you.
Yes, sir. Uh, Tata Click, it is also an online store where you can buy every products, and you will means we can say that it is relevant to Amazon and Flipkart, and we can say that it is an made in India product, and yeah, that's also means the thing is that you will get means mainly according to me mainly it is only only means you will get many electronic items and all.
So it's a e-commerce platform.
Sir, I am not sure, but yes, I can say that yes, means you can buy means other than electronic components you will get others also, but I have seen less.
Okay, so how did you get to know of this platform?
Yeah, sir. My father is using. He has ordered some books and all.
Oh, so how is it different from Amazon and Flipkart?
Yes, sir. The first major thing is it is made in India. Means it is made from. It is developed by Tata Group.
It is
Tata.
or
Sir.
Tata
Ah,
Consultancy.
yes, sir.
Or Tata is also making e-commerce store nowadays.
Yes, sir. This is Tata. It is Tata Click from Tata only.
Okay, so when did it started making e-commerce store like Tata Click?
Uh, I'm I am not sure, but I can say that last 2 years. Uh,
Last 2 years.
yes, sir.
Okay, so any other factors that make it different from big e-commerce companies like Amazon and Flipkart? Something that Amazon and Flipkart is not providing, but it is providing.
Uh, I have not observed any like that feature, sir, but you can say that it is relating to Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, and all. Sir, it is
It is
this Tata Click is introduced in 2016.
so it is completely related like Flipkart and Amazon.
Yes, sir. Completely means somewhat changes are there, but I don't know as I have never ordered. I have never seen that. Means I observed my father using that, so I just said.
So like Amazon is everything available from the store. Tata Click, anything you want to buy.
Sir, we can't. Means we can say sometimes yes, sometimes no. Means Amazon will provide you groceries, but Tata Click will not provide.
So instead, what does it provide instead of Godrej?
Sir, it provides some books and
No,
some.
no.
Uh,
Godrej, I mean, instead of Godrej can be Godrej shampoo, Godrej cream, anything, right? So instead of the brand Godrej, which brand does it provide? I'm not talking about books. I'm talking about substitute of Godrej.
sir, this is Tata Click, no?
No, no. For example, let's say the Pierce. Pierce is a brand, okay? Let's say
Uh,
Pierce brand. It is a soap brand, basically. So this soap brand is provided by Amazon, okay? But
yes,
this
sir.
soap brand is not provided by Tata Click. So instead of Pierce, which brand is Tata Click providing? I mean soap brand only. Instead of Pierce,
Uh,
which brand is
yes,
it providing? Like that.
yes, sir. Means I don't know, sir. Means I think it is providing Sony, Samsung, and all Philips. Yeah, sir.
What?
Sir, Philips and uh,
Can you repeat the name? Philip.
sir, Philips bulb company. Sir, Philips.
Okay. Okay, Naman,
LG
have you
also.
heard about Tata Click?
Yes, I've heard about Tata Click.
Can you explain it in brief? I haven't heard about it.
Why you haven't seen Tata Click? It's just an e-commerce website.
No, what is its specialty? What makes it special? That's why.
What makes it special? It's
Yeah.
a normal e-commerce, just like other e-commerce like Flipkart or Amazon. What special it has?
Okay. Okay, so what are the things that Tata Click is providing that Amazon and Flipkart is not?
What Amazon Tata Click is providing? Well, Flipkart is providing Xiaomi phones. Amazon is providing different type of Xiaomi phones. Tata Click does not have Xiaomi phones.
So what does it have instead?
Normal electronics, normal which are available in the Chroma and something like that. What else it will provide?
So is it better than Amazon or Flipkart?
Better? No, not better. Not
Okay,
better.
not better.
Amazon is number one. Very easy, fast delivery. No negotiations, nothing. No nakhrabazi. Amazon is number one. Flipkart full of nakhras.
So in India, Tata Click is popular or Amazon? Which one is more popular in India? Tata Click or Amazon or Flipkart?
Google it. What does it
Like,
say?
you know now, you tell me.
I
Why
don't
should I
know.
know?
That's why people use many things.
No, like for example, I haven't heard of Tata Click. I just heard about it today only.
From whom?
Actually, Madhusudan is setting the topic each and every day, right, Madhusudan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he is deciding the topic. He is my boss. You can say.
Okay.
No, not a
No,
boss.
no,
You're
he is
like a
my
friend.
boss. He is deciding the topic.
All right.
Yeah.
Madhusudan, why you are saying sir to him? Aritra should say sir to him. Aritra say Madhusudan sir.
Okay. No, means a respectful word as I am
Yeah,
ninth.
I know.
So
Yeah, yeah.
No problem. See, the thing is, when you are in a same room, age does not matter, right?
yeah.
You are equal. We do not discriminate through age.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
just like people say there's no age for entrepreneurship, we also say respect can be given, but it should be given back also, right? So, don't give too much respect to somebody whom you think that he will not give back to you, right? So you have
Yeah.
to look whom you are giving that respect. Obviously, if you are giving respect to get it, something from him, that means you are not giving the respect, but you are giving
That
you're
is
buttering that.
manipulation.
That is not manipulation. Manipulation different thing. That is buttering. Makkhan lagana.
Yeah, buttering is also a part of manipulation, you can say.
No, it's not a butter manipulation.
I also buttered Vishal sir sometime.
Oh, he's normal guy. वो उसमें बटर भी नहीं लगाना पड़ता है. टोस्ट कर दो डायरेक्ट.
क्या होगा?
आजकल लोग ऐसा फ्रेंडली है, रिकॉर्डिंग में बोल रहे ऐसा.
बोलो.
पहली बात बोल रहा है कि बटरिंग जो है ना,
हम्म.
आजकल लोग क्या है ना कि बटरिंग आजकल बहुत टफ हो गया. तो वो जो है उसमें क्या होता है कि सोशल मीडिया इतना इंफॉर्मेशन की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा ट्रस्ट जो होता है वो लो हो गया. तो उसकी वजह से लोग बहुत कम करते हैं. हम लोग टॉपिक के बाहर जा रहे हैं, वो ये रिकॉर्डिंग के बाद बात कर सकते हैं. टॉपिक के बाहर जा रहा है, वहाँ टाटा क्लिक टॉपिक था, बात करो टाटा क्लिक पे.
ओके. टाटा क्लिक तो और बताओ मधुसूदन, और क्या जानते हो टाटा क्लिक के बारे में?
सर सिर्फ इतना जानता हूँ, मीन्स आई नो ओनली दैट मच दैट
क्या क्या
इट इज
खरीदा अभी तक फ्रॉम टाटा क्लिक तुमने?
सर I have not purchased anything.
So
Even I
who has
don't
purchased?
even I don't know my father is also use that.
Your father has purchased.
I think yes, I don't know, but for his official purpose,
Yes,
yes.
sir. I have done the financial modeling. You can check it later if you want. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. No, tomorrow I'm coming at 9. Yeah, yeah. I have studied the markets. I'll be sending that. No problem.
Then one.
No, no, no. Yeah, I have mailed it. Yeah.
Naman, can you switch off your audio?
Oh,
Okay, Madhusudan. Now, your
Yes, sir.
father, what has he purchased from Tata Click?
Sir, I don't know. Means he has never said. I have seen him using that app, but I never saw the product purchased by him.
Tata Click और क्या है Tata Click के बारे में? Have you seen the website, Madhusudan, of Tata Click?
Sir, repeat, sir, please repeat the question.
Yeah, have you seen the website of Tata Click?
Sir, I think the personal website is not there.
No website?
Sir, I think no. It has an app, and not only you will get fashion also, fashion available. Means you will get clothes, different types of clothes and all.
No, but if it has an app, then it got to have a website now.
Sir, I
How
am
can
not.
company run without a
Uh,
website?
no, I am not saying that it is not having any website and all. I don't know, sir. Means it may be having or it may not be having. I don't know that.
Okay, you don't know. So the app. So for example, let's say you order something from Tata Click. So how many days does it take to complete a delivery to Tata Click? Madhusudan?
Sir, same like Amazon. Means it is depending upon the product, the what product you buy.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. It is also having an website, and a website is available.
Okay. Okay, Naman, have you checked the website of Tata Click?
bro, I shop on Tata Click.
You?
I shop on Tata Click.
Oh, that is great.
Tata Click. Have you heard about Tata Click Luxury? Check it. Check the website. Go.
Okay, anyway, so how many days that is take for Tata Click to reach?
It depends what is your pin code. Write the pin code in a box. There's a availability of box. Just right there your pin code. It will show that what is the delivery time it will take to reach your home.
So, what made you shop on Tata Click instead of Amazon or Flipkart?
Why do you shop on Amazon if the product is available on Flipkart?
Amazon or Flipkart, more or less, they are similar. They are both
No, tell me,
popular
why do you
brands.
shop on Amazon for the same product if you can buy it from Flipkart? Tell
Better
me that.
price, better quality.
So lame question then.
So Tata Click is better than Amazon. That means you are saying if it provides better
Sometimes,
quality,
sometimes not, sometimes yes. If the product is not there, now tell me, you want to buy something luxury, all right? You want to buy Ted Baker belt. It costs around 7,000-8,000 rupees. You will not find in Amazon. You will find it in Tata Click Luxury. You will find it there. Understood? So some
Understood.
products are not available. Now, if you want to buy a Poco phone, or let's take an iPhone SE, you won't find it on Amazon, but you will find it on Flipkart. So that is the thing. No product is not available. Products on discount and all. Same thing, no. Lame questions. Don't ask so much lame questions that it doesn't feel good. Ask
Actually, I
something
don't
different.
know much about the topic now. That's why
So
confused.
Madhusudan gave the topic.
Yeah, Madhusudan choose the topic. He knows everything.
Sir, you,
Madhusudan, you
yes, sir.
moderate one day. You look promising. You moderate one day. What I am saying, you become Auditro one.
Uh,
Yeah, that's a skill you have to learn. Auditro
yes,
have learned the skill. He won't have any problem right now. You have to learn. Ask him, tell him that he should learn moderation. You know, if you learn moderation, then it would be very easy to talk to people.
yeah.
This ask questions,
Yes.
right?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, sure, he can
Then,
do it.
so invite me. I'm not in the group because I have so many groups. I have more than 50 groups. I cannot, it becomes very clumsy. All the messages coming day by day. So I left the less important group. Many
You
groups
also
cleared.
left the startup case study group also
Yeah, I
accidentally.
have left, but I know where to go now. I last Auditro. Till Auditro is here, and I am there. So that though, if Auditro leaves, then now we can stop the recording 10:30.
No, it's not 10:30. There's 6 more minutes left.
So yesterday, to you end the meeting at 10:20 only.
Yesterday you didn't join, did
I
you?
didn't join. I joined late. Ask Vidisha. I
Yes.
know her.
Yes, sir. He joined. He joined at 10:20. I
And
Ask
saw.
after I
Vidisha.
left the meeting,
Yes. After soon, as we soon left the meeting, he joined.
and you guys chatted.
No, no,
No,
no.
I left. Why would I spend the time, right?
Okay.
Sir,
I
we
have
have
to
to,
do
sir,
some.
instead of chatting, we want to sleep. No, it is better.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway,
Chatting,
let's
we,
stop the
yes, yes,
recording.
sir.